Namaste. Hey learners, welcome to English Pulse, the pure vision for your fluency. Are you tired of translating in your head every time you try to speak English? Thinking in your native language, then struggling to find words, the right English words? That hesitation, that pause, it's what holding you back. What if you could switch your brain to think directly in English, just like fluent, successful speakers do? Isn't it? It's not magic, it's a skill. And in this video, I'll show you practical steps to train your mind, stop translating, and finally start thinking in English. That process. And naturally, let's unblock that translating and let's unlock the superpower of how you naturally speak in English. So, why thinking in English is your fluency key? That's what. So, quick question: when you speak in your own language, do you translate first? No, of course not. Thoughts and words just flow. Imagine that same effortless flow in English. No mental gymnastics, no awkward pauses. That's the secret of fluent speakers, whoever we generally see. They just don't know more words. Their minds operate in English. And good news, you can train your brain to do the same. And this is the game changer for real fluency. So, what's this translation trap? The translation trap. Most learners are stuck here. Your language, mentally translate English, speak slowly and nervously. So, this mental detour causes delays and hesitation, unnatural sentences, stress, and lost confidence. So, we need to break this cycle. Okay, our goal is direct English thinking. Okay, so English thought, English sentence, speak fluently and confidently. Okay, so that's where we are headed. It takes practice. But with these simple techniques, you'll get faster than you think. Done? So, step by step, let's train our brain to think in English. Let's dive into the practical steps. Start small, be consistent. Step 1, tiny thoughts. Technique. Like it should be simple sentences. Don't try to think complex essays. Start with super short, simple English sentences about what you are doing or seeing. Like 3 to 5 words. What it could be, like while walking. I'm walking. The sky is blue. The dog is cute. While making tea. Water is hot. I'll add sugar. Tea smells good. So narrate your life with tiny English thoughts. It's easy and it builds that habit. Next, step 2, build your thinking vocabulary. Like you need quick access words, like focus on common words like action verbs, eat, walk, read, see, want, need. Simple. Okay, then simple adjectives, good, bad, happy, big, small. Simple adjectives. Then everyday objects, sofa, phone, book, chair, TV, water, car, tree, simple objects. Then use flashcards. It's usually we do in nursery, right? Digital or physical. For 5 to 10 new words every day. The goal isn't memorizing lists, it's making this word instant mental tools. Like once it appears in front of you, you will be able to detect it. Just like how your mobile phones scan QR code and directly link you, the same way. Okay, step 3, label your word in English. Okay, so this is fun. As you go about your day, mentally label things around you in English. So in your room, desk lamp, window, bed, and if you visit any store for buying groceries, apple, bread, milk, cart, so you need not say it aloud unless you want to. Just see it. Think that word in English. This makes English your default for naming things. Then, step 4, your inner monologue. Yes, you'll always have that voice inside your head. Your best practice partner is you. Okay, so talk to yourself in English in your head or even out loud when you're alone. Like, mirror practice is great if you want to learn. Okay, what should I do next? You finished. I need to finish this report. Then I'll call Sarah. Like, if you have all those things in your head, just tell it out loud, just like mirror practice. Then, I feel a bit tired today. Maybe I'll go for a short walk. Then describe your plans, feelings, or just random thoughts. Don't judge your grammar. Just let that English flow. Next, step 5, immerse your senses. Like, it's like a passive power up. Surround your brain with English, even in small ways. Change your phone language to English. Then listen to English music or podcasts, even in the background. Watch short videos, shorts, shows with subtitles if you want to know the correct accent in them. And then read simple English articles or social media posts. The more English your brain encounters, the more natural it becomes to think in it. Then, quick decisions in English. It's like mini mind games, like getting dressed, golden dupatta, pink, kurta, like blue shirt or white shirt. Then while ordering food, coffee or tea, like tea please. Then internally, what time is it? It's 3 p.m. Should I go now? Yes, I should. These tiny internal conversations that they build they build mentally, they speed up English in your head. Then, step 7, it's like a 3-second rule for speaking. It's like this is a powerful trick for real conversations. Like when someone asks you a question in English, pause for 3 seconds before answering. Like this stops that panic translation and trains your brain to direct English output while you talk. Okay, if they ask, where had you been last week? Just pause. Yeah, I'd been to Kabam Park last week. Yeah, give that pause. If you are thinking in a native, just give that pause, translate and answer it directly. That would be a nice strategy for you to speak. Next, step 8, positive self-talk. It's like a mindset boost. Your brain listens to you, feeds with positive affirmations. Like it will be like repeat daily with belief. Just like if you are chanting a stotra or a shloka, it has to be exercised on your tongue before it comes, restlessly, relentlessly on your tongue. It's like a muscle memory, just like how you drive your car. You automatically put the brake, automatically change the gear, clutch, everything. English is like that. So I am capable of thinking in English. It should be like that. Then my mind is processing English directly. Every day I think in English more easily. This programs your subconscious for success in speaking the language. Then your day 7, think in English kickstart challenge. If you have your calendar, if you are really genuine. So are you ready to make this happen? Just try this 7-day challenge also. It's like day 1, narrate 5 daily actions using tiny English thoughts like I brush teeth, I drink water, I went for a walk, I read a book, I read the newspaper. Just like 5 daily actions. Then second, mentally label 10 objects at your home or office in English. Day 2. Day 3, have a 2-minute inner monologue in English about your day. How many minutes it will? It will take just 5 to 10 minutes. Then, day 4, listen to 5 minutes English audio and try to summarize one main idea in your head in English. Then, day 5, make 3 simple decisions using only English thoughts. Example like what to eat, what to dress, whom to meet. Next, day 6, practice the 3-second rule. I told you, in one conversation, or you just imagine one. If you have a partner, just ask them. Next, day 6, the 3-second rule. Day 7, say your positive affirmations aloud, looking in a mirror. Yeah, Miss Bhatia or Miss Aradhya, I'm able to speak in English. This would be my motivation for the day. Okay, think this. So track your progress. You'll be amazed at the shift you have done in your practice. Okay. So I've seen so many students transform their fluency once they crack this. It's not just about being a grammar genius. Okay, it's about changing a fundamental mental habit in your head. When someone who has just started labeling items, then narrating their cooking month by month, they stop translating. So you can too. So what's the closing motivation? Your mind is your greatest tool. So thinking in English isn't an impossible dream reserved for the naturals. It's still a skill, a habit you have to build, just like another. Okay, even for me, take for instance, I never, made so many efforts. Just by simple things, following simple things like this, makes language come into you inbuilt. Some softwares come inbuilt. That's the thing, how you have to materialize English in yourself. You need not to be perfect, you just need to start. Forget that whole habit of constant translation. Embrace these simple techniques. So your journey to fluent, confident English speaking truly begins when you train your mind to think in English. So this is your path to unlocking natural, effortless communication. You have the power to rewire your thoughts. Your brain will start automatically reciprocating to these kind of things. Okay, start today, start small, but start. This is English Pulse. Keep shining with the pure vision. I want to know which step you will start today. Comment below. I will start thinking in English by trying the step. Put that step name in the comments. So if this video has sparked something in you, please give a thumbs up, a like there. Subscribe to English Pulse and share it with your fellow learners. See you next time. You've got this. Nirupama here.